So hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at this CLX gaming machine that they just sent me over. This is going to be a CLX raw. So I'm not 100% sure if everybody gets these wooden crates when they get a raw. I'm not 100% sure on the pricing tiers and stuff like that. But it is pretty cool that they sent me over this huge shipping crate to store this computer. Now, a couple of things I want to mention before we get into the video, guys. There is going to be some wind in the background. Not 100% sure if the mic is going to pick it up, but I really hope the audio is fine with this because I kind of redid my whole entire setup just to make this series of videos. As well, this video is just an unboxing. We're not doing a full review on the system. The next video should be that. So if you guys want to go hit that subscribe button down below, I should be posting that either in a week or about 2, depending on how fast I can get that video done and edited. As well, I'm not 100% sure. I might have the affiliate link by the time I post this video, but if I don't, it should be in the next video. So CLX was kind enough to send me an affiliate link for the PCs. So if you're at all interested in buying a CLX gaming machine, hitting that affiliate link down in the description is going to give me 4% of all of the money that PC costs. So basically, whenever you buy a PC, 4% of the cost of that is going to go straight to me, which all that money is going to go straight back into the channel, hopefully getting some better video editing stuff, and hopefully getting a better camera and mic and stuff like that. Is basically kind of what we're going to be investing into for this video. So now that that's all out of the way, we can just take a look at this. So this is the crate that they sent in. It's absolutely massive. When I unboxed it, it was about 70 pounds. So to take this thing out and carry it the way I had to carry it in order to get it into this kind of little studio area, it wasn't the easiest thing to do. But as of right now, I actually don't have the PC in it. It's just empty right here. I just kind of threw the extra stuff that they have in here. But the PC is actually in this little cardboard box right here. So in terms of just shipping kind of stuff, this PC is packaged extremely well. You've got the protection from that crate, and then you've got this box. And we've also got some more padding protection, which I'll show off here in a little bit. So this is what the system looks like with, I literally just took out the box and I just slid everything out. So this is all of the padding protection that you get on it. So you got these all these kind of foam inserts. So there's basically no chance of this thing getting hurt during shipping. So I know you guys can probably see it like a little bit. There's a foam insert right here that is keeping all of the parts of the PC nice and put together so that nothing doesn't fall out during shipping, or if the case is kind of thrown back and forth, you're not going to have any sort of maybe RAM sticks or the GPU kind of flopping around and maybe breaking something. So I just want to move that crate out of the way so we can get a better look at this system. So if we take off this this little thing right here, you can already see this thing's actually supposed to be down. I messed with the system a little bit, but I kind of repackaged it for your viewing pleasure. So this thing does kind of open up and down. And this whole entire thing is actually a custom paint job. I think this is the Fantakes Ethos or something like that. I'll probably add it in somewhere in the video. But yeah, this is all got the kind of custom CLX stuff down here. Maybe you can see a little bit. There's a little CLX writing down there. And this thing looks absolutely phenomenal. It's got this green paint job on here. Everything about it just screams high end. We got like all the foam pieces off. We can kind of take a look at the inside here. Let's move this guy. All right, so before we do anything else, I kind of want to get this nice little peel. Oh, dang, that looks so good. All right, so the inside here, we got this little bracket. This door just swings right open. And then we got this big styrofoam thing in here, keeping the GPU and everything else together. Let's see if we can focus in on here. So we got a GeForce RTX 3090, really high-end GPU. And then we've got a water-cooled Ryzen 9 3950X, so basically the highest end PC that you can get on the market today. Right, so let's plug this puppy in and see how the whole thing looks when it's finally turned on. The little RGB thing here on the motherboard, and we'll hit the on button up here. Ooh, baby, that thing looks nice. Oh, yeah. So we got a lot of RGB in here. All those sticks there, RGB. Yeah, let's open up this panel real quick so we can see a little bit better. Yeah, the GPU has like a little bit of an RGB fan up there, and then we got all of these LEDs in here, these fans as well. You can't really see them too well. And then within the kind of front panel thing, we've got 2 LED strips. So all of these are addressable by the motherboard. You can actually light the fans independently with the remote that is included into the system. But a lot of times you kind of want to keep the system all the same color, so that's kind of what this is right here. And overall, I think the system looks great. I think that all the stuff that they put together, I mean, the cable management looks great in the front here. We'll talk about the cable management in the back on the next video. And then as well, we'll talk about all the specs and the performance and, you know, what kind of stuff that you can expect from this machine in the next video. So if you guys did enjoy the unboxing, I know it was a pretty quick one, but if you guys did enjoy the unboxing, please leave a like. And if you guys are hyped to watch the next video, hit the subscribe button so you guys are notified when the next video goes up. So again, at the end of this video, guys, I just want to thank CLX for sending me this machine. It's a pretty beastly machine, and we'll be doing a lot of stuff with it. As well, if you guys have any tech questions, maybe about nothing related to this, but you might have like a problem with your PC or just trying to figure out on what computer you should buy, go check the Discord link down in the description. Our Discord has gotten pretty big recently. We've got a lot of people who kind of know what they're doing when it comes to computers. So if you guys want to go check that out, if you guys are having any sort of problems with stuff, definitely go check that out. So that's going to be the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this thing with the next month. And hopefully I'll see all you guys in the next one. Peace.